Hello YouTube. Welcome to the 8th tutorial on C programming. This is Tech Miner here. In this video, we will be talking about another most used looping statement, that is, for loop. This loop is one of the most used loops in computer programming. We use for loop when we know exactly how many times the loop needs to be run. Let's see syntax of for loop. It's similar to while loop, but instead of while, we write for. Inside the small braces, we need to provide three informations, and these three informations need to be separated by semicolon, because these are expressions. The first expression is where do you want to begin your loop. I am gonna begin this example with 1. So I am writing count is equal to 1. Then I put semicolon. The second one is when do you want your loop to end. That is, you need to provide condition to end your loop. I am writing here, count is less than 5. Then I put semicolon again. The last one is increment or decrement expression. This defines, by how much the value of count should increase or decrease in each loop. I put count plus plus. This is equivalent to count equals count plus 1. It means, in each loop, the value is increased by 1. Now let's print the value of count as output. In the output, we can see the value of count is being displayed, starting from 1, every time being increased by 1, and loop being executed until count reaches 5. Now if I change expression inside the for loop and write count is equal to 3, semicolon, count less than 5, semicolon, count plus plus. In this case, the loop begins from the value of count as 3 and runs as long as count is less than 5, in each loop, the value of count being increased by 1. In the output, we can see, count beginning from 3 and loop running as long as count is less than 5. Now I am gonna change this program again. Let's say I want to print even number from 2 to 100. This is very easy. As I need to print even numbers starting from 2, I am gonna begin my loop as, for count equals 2, semicolon, count is less than equal to 100, semicolon, count equals count plus 2. Let's run the program. We see all the even numbers from 1 to 100. That's all for today. Hope you are understanding these tutorials. If you have any queries or confusion, then comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.